It is currently 11:30 at night. This is a second-hand car that the owner just bought. After purchasing it, he found out that this car had a strange problem, which was that it could only start during the day. And as soon as it got dark, no matter how hard he tried, it would not start, scaring the car owner to death. The owner reached out to me through a direct message, and today we are going to check what is actually going on. These are the tools I brought. Let us first get into the car and try to start it. Let us try one more time. See that? It really cannot start. Do you know the reason why? Let us walk to the front and take a look. This issue has been going on for over half a month. The owner had previously replaced the spark plugs outside, cleaned the throttle body, cleaned the fuel line, and replaced the fuel pump. He spent 2,000 to 3,000 yuan back and forth, but the problem was not solved. When the owner contacted me via message and asked if I could handle such difficult and complicated illnesses, I said I specialized in handling difficult cases. The owner asked what would happen if I could not fix it. And I said if I cannot fix it, how much did you buy this car for? And I will buy it from you. Today we will see if we can solve this problem for him right here. In fact, when encountering such difficult problems, we should not blindly mess around with repairs and replacements right away. How is that any different from just being a parts replacer? As long as you sort out your train of thought, fixing it becomes extremely simple. For example, his car can start during the day and cannot start at night. Look at day and night. Right, with such a huge temperature difference between day and night, it is obviously related to temperature, isn't it? Speaking of temperature, look here everyone. Generally speaking, the water temperature sensor at the back of the engine has a problem. This water temperature sensor can control the fuel injection volume based on temperature. And normally if it breaks, this kind of problem will occur. But look at how new this water temperature sensor is. It is obvious that the owner has already replaced it outside. So the problem is definitely not here. Besides this water temperature sensor, there is another component on our car that is also related to temperature. And furthermore, it is something that many repair shops easily overlook. Come closer and take a look. It is this component. See that? It is it. It is called the intake air temperature sensor. And I suspect it has a problem now. Let us take it out and inspect it. The removal is extremely simple. First unplug the connector. Okay, it is unplugged. Then pry this clip and pull it outward. Okay, look, it is pulled out like this. After taking it out, let us take a look. Well, the cause of the problem is found right here, isn't it? See that? This is covered entirely in dark carbon deposits, wrapping up the sensor tip completely. No wonder the car couldn't start. Now that the cause is found, solving it is straightforward, isn't it? Don't rush to replace it yet. To avoid wasting money in vain, find a couple of tissues and place them on the ground. Then grab a bottle of cleaning agent and clean all the carbon deposits on top thoroughly. Wow, look how dirty it is. This cleaning agent is everywhere, only costing 3 to 5 yuan a bottle online. This sensor is used to detect intake air temperature, and if it has a problem, it will affect the intake air volume and fuel injection volume. Hence why the car cannot start. Alright, look, isn't it cleaned up now? See that? It looks brand new. Next we will install it back and see if the car can start. Installation is very simple. Align it with the hole just now. Then push it inward. Hear a click sound, and it is in place. Finally plug the connector back. Okay, it is all installed. Next I will get in the car and start it to see if the car can actually start. If this problem is solved shortly, my friends, please give me a little heart to support me. Next is the moment to witness a miracle. Didn't he say it starts in the day and not at night? Come look, it is currently 12:27 in the middle of the night. Starting the engine in the middle of the night. Step on the brake, shift to P gear and get ready. 3, 2, 1. Hit it once. Try one more time. 3, 2, 1. Hit it once. Walk to the front and take a look. Isn't this fixed? And they called it a difficult medical mystery. I just don't believe it. Look, see that? How smooth the engine idling is. The problem has been completely resolved. How is that? Isn't it super simple? Follow me to learn a bit of car knowledge every day.